Well, I've determined what the fronts of these two vertical side pieces are, and what the outside side is going to be. This will be the inside, and this will be the gluing edge. So I am just going to ease the corners of this ash just a little bit, just enough to take the sharpness off prior to gluing it to the carcass. I figure the less sanding I have to do after it's all glued together on the carcass, the easier it'll be for me. Okay, I've started to glue the front frame on. I already glued the left side vertical piece, and now I just glued and clamped the right side vertical piece. I can only do these things one piece at a time because I don't have the right kind of clamps to do any more than 3 clamps at a time because of the width of the piece. It's what they always say, you know, there's never enough clamps, and here's a good example of it. So anyway, one piece at a time, we will get this thing glued and clamped to get the front frame in. I'm not pre-measuring anything. Each piece is going to be measured at the point it's going to be installed. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's what I'm after. That weird noise you hear is my almost brand new washing machine. That's the noise it makes when it's washing. Okay. Next will be these. And then we'll do the sides. And last will be the top, which should be a surprise. I'm going to cut all 4 of these out first and fit them like so before I glue them, because I want to make sure that they're exactly lined up. There's one. Just so you know, from a design standpoint, I really like the shadow lines of these pieces as they're indented a little bit. I think it adds to the overall design. I'm trying to follow the grain, since these were all cut from the same piece. I thought it would be nice to have the grain just go continuously straight up, so that's why that's that way. And there we have it. All the front-facing frame is in. I just glued those center vertical ones in. I didn't feel like I needed to pin nail them. It should be fine. The 2 things I wanted to make sure fit on that top shelf were the Google Point. It's actually downstairs, upstairs, it's the hub. This is one of the satellite points that I have down here in the basement. And this little DVD player. It fits perfectly. Plenty of air around it. The other 2 things that are going to go on this side are the Apple TV, hockey puck, and the little router that Glow Fiber provided for my internet streaming. Excellent. DVDs here, and maybe some paperback books, and room for a normal 9x6 hardcover books for the bottom 2 shelves. Actually, can go a lot higher because that's an 11-inch shelf, and it's 12 inches deep.